Namaste, dear Divine Source. Welcome to my channel, Divine Roshni. I'm going to transmit a light language for cutting emotional attachment cords from the heart chakra. Yasutamhatarama Wantama, Rusuntamhata Wantama, Kayamtamhata Wantama, Rasanashumyamata Rasana, Mukamtamhata Rasniyantama, Yantamata Rosa, Suntamhata Rosa, Ukamtimita Rosa, Washinashimyamata Washina, Rayamtamhata Washina Rasuna Shumyamata Rakahan Centimeter Raka Washina Samyamata Washina Rasa, Washina Rasa, Ukamtimita Rasa, Hayamtamata Rosa, Wantamya Simyamata Wantama Kamtama, Rontamata Kamtama. Rontomata Kantama, Yasutamata Kantama, Hamyamata Kantama, Rusutamata Raka, Hoshiti Raka Mohana, Mohaneta Rasa, Rusutamata Rasa, Hayamtomata Rasa, Kamashumya Mata Rakama Mate, Matita Hayatur, Santamata Maito Hamya, Mata Maiturus, Nashumya Mata Maiturus Makantima, Kantimata Rasa, Vakantamata Rasa, Hayamtomata Kasa, Rusutamata Kasemaha, Shayamtamata Rasema, Shakyamtamata Koso, Ayamtomata Kono, Hayamtamharara, Hasuma. Hashumaha, Hashumaha. Thank you, Divine, and thank you all.